Rang Misalo. Kazing Lamromre. Volleyball here does football you to me, Jerry.
Hello. Men's volleyball fourth match here. 15 minutes sweetly continues Aliora. Tisha versus Rambu Nangro Mira. Tisha versus Rambu Nanishina Kwahun Chidadleka. Ready Sami Orano. Kala women's volleyball here. Pali versus Ringui Nangro Mira. Women's volleyball here. Pali versus Rungui Nangaro Mira, Nanishi team Nala Kangaran Sami Orano. 15 minutes with lead with volleyball match continues Sali Shidra. Chuvangina, Tisha versus Rambu, men's volleyball, Kala women's volleyball, Pali versus Rungui Kangaran Sami Orano.
Teinem versus Somdal. Yellow in a Teinem, blue in a Somdal. Somdal ba yung tam yellow church with side song. Teinem na volleyball with side song.
Hello and welcome everyone. A very good afternoon. And we have before us a mouth-watering clash between Teinem and Somdal. Somdal have Indian International Hornbum River with the site this afternoon. Teinem on the other hand have a strong balanced team and they will be looking to pull off a huge upset here. Somdal in blue and Teinem in yellow.
Blue na Somdal, yellow na Teinem. Attack Ray. Somdal ba siya na toss? Mayu ba na siya nahabugaw Ray? Number 2, Hormipom Riva. Nakatapok Ray. Azava. Forward and Yogi Zadle.
Hornbum River interestingly playing up front for Somdal. So Hornbum gets us underway, passes it all the way back to Semi, the skipper for Somdal this afternoon. Totri Singh on the chase right away up against Paisin Valui, and Paisin does well to clear the ball. Throw in for Somdal, well taken by Hormipom. Hormipom plays it out wide for Rung Singh. Rung Singh puts the ball in, and there was Shinpom Riva on the right flank.
Out. Out throw. Teinem bashi out throw. Number 5 na hergi jare Kershaw Balui na hergi jare.
Method me plays it back to jersey number 3, Teishing Valui. Out wide now for Somia. Somia looking for the run of Mako, but intercepted by a Somdal player. High boot there from Hormipum, and the foul goes Tainem's way. It will be taken by Paisin Valui. Jersey number 18, Paisin Valui. Doesn't clear the first man. Hormipum was standing tall there up against the wall, and Hormipum takes the ball now. It's dispossessed. King Pum with the clearance for Teinem.
Foul.
Foul on Rong Sing. No, Shem by, I believe it was Naomi, and the free kick will be taken by Pami. So a lot of height to aim there in the Teinem box. They have Wurio and Hormipum. Instead the ball goes to Totri Singh on the right flank, on the left flank. Hormipum had straight offside, and the ball is brought back for an offside for Teinem. Offside for Teinem here. For Mushun Singh, all the way back to the goalkeeper. Nasomi Riva for Somdal. Nasomi collected by Wario. Wario under pressure, getting that bit of a push from Somia, and Wario wins a foul of Somia. It's another free kick for Somdal, which will be taken by Pami. It's got height on the free kick there from Pami, but no blue jersey to get on the end of it. Totri Singh and Wario were chasing, but the keeper came off his line and collected the ball. Out wide by Panchok, looking for jersey number 11 Mako, and Kershok does well to win a throw in there from that situation. Mako back to Kershok, and Kershok lost his footing there, and the ball goes out for a goal kick for Somdal. Somdal asked to take the goal kick again. Whether the ball was over the line or whether the ball was rolling, we don't know, but it's been taken again, and no assistance flag this time. Now, well defended by King Pum. Back to Pami. Now with Shem, taken by Hormipum. No advantage played. Hormipum tried to take the free kick a little too early, but referee said the place of offence was 2-3 yards from where Hormipum took the free kick. Somiran charged down by Mashundring. Back to Somiran. Now taken by just number 6. One back by Wario. Out again for Somiran River. Now with Shinpam. Ball taken by Mushunring. Mushunring will earn a throw in for his industrious work there. Will be taken by jersey number 5, Kershok. Wario. Tot racing with a bit of a push there. Referee says play on, and the ball falls to Teinem's possession anyway. Possession won back by Somdal. Semi-revised foul there by Matotmi, and free kick has been given Somdal's way. Ormapam will take this free kick. Ormapam finds Wario. Instead of finding a teammate, found a yellow shirt. Now Matotmi. It's a good ball through for Kershok. Kershok has 3 Somdal players to get past, and in the end Ormapam is there to clear things up for Somdal. Ormapam with a good clearance. Teinem back with the ball again. Panchok out wide for Somaya. Somaya has support in the form of Taishing, but is dispossessed by Totri Singh, and all the way back to the goalkeeper. Somiran cleared by Kingpam. Now with Panchok. Panchok's pole for Somaya a little too heavy, and a throw in for Somdal. Totri Singh on the chase here. Totri Singh is brought down by Somaya, and it's a free kick from near the touchline there for Somdal, and they will look to exploit the Teinem defense with the height that they have, with the likes of Ormapam, Wario, and a few other players. Teinem has hardly touched the ball, but he is a good striker, and he'll be hoping that he can get something from this free kick as well. Semi, the skipper for Somdal, on the free kick. Semi. Clash between Palmi and Ormapam, and in the end the flick came off Ormapam, and it's gone out for a goal kick for Teinem. It's Wario. Maybe he saw some blue shirt on the corner of his eye, but there was no teammate there for him on the edge of the box. Completely misplaces the pass, and Teinem will have a free kick from where they will look to launch an attack into the Somdal half.
Captain number 16, number 16. Batan MYS. Number 4. Captain Kayingpam W Shimre.
So Kingpam on this free kick for Teinem. Kingpam, it's high, long, and there is Mushunring. The height was there, but it's cleared well by Somdal. Semi now. Semi looking for the run of Ormapam. Ormapam cannot get there, but Teinem is there. Teinem, Shinpam, back to Wario. Wario out wide for Totri Singh, cleared by Somaya. Now Teinem on the counter, well defended by Shem, and a foul against Naomi Kayi, jersey number 13 of Teinem. Number 4, Pami. Long ball from Pami straight at the Teinem goalkeeper. So possession plenty in the middle of the park for both teams, but neither teams have really troubled their respective goalkeepers so far. It's been an easy opening
Foul. Number 13, number 13.
10 minutes or so for both the goalkeepers who've seen little action so far. Pami will take this free kick for Somdal. Pami will look to go long again. He goes long, and he was looking for the run-off for Mipum. Well defended by the Teinem defense. Semi now with the ball. Back to Shem.
Number 18, number 10, heads mere pace in.
Shem again.
Clearance is Akshinaida. With number 11, number 11.
Now Miko from Somi. Nganaumi still. Nganaumi looking for the run of Somi out on that right flank. It was a good pass and a mistake there from the Somdal goalkeeper. Wonder why he didn't take the ball and instead chose to play it with his feet, and it nearly fell to Teinem. Huge letter for the Somdal goalkeeper there, needlessly creating pressure for himself and his own team. Hormipum cannot get the ball away from his feet. Go, but the ball got stuck under his feet, and Teinem have possession only for a while. But back with possession again, Teinem. Now with Somdal. Semi slipped. Mushundring takes the shot, and it's well wide of the far post from Mushundring.
Goal kick, Somdal with goal kick, Somdal with goal kick, Somdal with keeper. And Somi rebound with the Jerry.
Totri Singh. Totri Singh back to Wario. Wario taking time on the ball. Wario looks to change the flank, was looking for the run of Shinpum. Well defended by Kershok of Teinem. Kingpum does well to clear the ball away, but it will come again through Somiran all the way back to. No, it's a mistake from Shem, and the keeper will come off his lines and concede a throw in. It was a mistake there from not Shem, Rungsing Kamrang, Somdal left back, and it nearly fell as a chance for Teinem. Semi with a loose touch there, Somia. Somia threatening on this right flank, cleared by Totri Singh.
Ball extra. In the last 10 minutes, attack it. Teinem machine mermaid lay. Pressure mermaid lay. Pressure mermaid merga. Somdal bashi mistake. Kasa shot ball by Maning Sangaga. Clear Zaire. Goal will Teinem machine single leg number 16 single leg.
Hormipum switches flank with Shinpum. Shinpum has support but loses out anyway. Cleared by Pami. Out again by Shem. And a foul there on Shem by Nganaumi. Taken off the toes of Shinpum by Meiko, but he cannot rescue the ball from going out, and it's a throw in for Somdal, which they have taken very quickly. Wario was pushed at the back, but no foul given for Wario, and Teinem will have a goal kick here.
judges being referee being ngai women's volleyball Fale versus Ringui Kininishi players being nala women's volley court jile report ka sam yawlo referee umpire being ngai chena Fale versus Ringui Tisha versus Rambo men's women's volleyball Kininishi players being na volley court le report ka sam yawlo
number 16 the ball Singh number 19 the ball number 19 the ball
Oreo with a well weighted pass over the top of the Teinem defense, but Shinpum cannot get the ball in. Another goal kick for Teinem.
Keeper Wartana as a captain
Todri Singh lifts it up and it's taken down very well by Teinem. In the end, the pass by the midfielder is a little disappointing. Ball rescued by Semi still with the ball, finds Warrior had support in the form of Shinpum but chose to go for Glory himself instead, and it was a good block in by Panchok, just number 17 of Teinem. Shinpum for Teinem on the byline, gets past one player. Teinem, it's a good cutback there, and the cutback will be met by jersey number 12 Rung Singh, and it's a corner in the end for Somdal. Good cutback there from Teinem, but it was such a shame that there was no running midfielder in and around the box. And in the end it was left back Rung Singh who took the shot on, got a block, and Somdal have a corner here which will be taken by Semi. High, cleared well by Mushunring. Now Teinem on the counter. Ganami tried to play the ball early for Meiko. Warrior lost possession there. A push from Mushunring on Rung Singh, and it is a free kick for Somdal on the halfway line. Harimapam standing over this one. It'll be interesting to see if he tries to go for a goal from this range. He does, and it was half a good try. Was always rising, never coming down.
Teinem with keeper Hirachi Pem YS nahi Wartan maning manai team list ali first ke bisangai la thangai na ning hodo Teinem foul Teinem with free kick Semi number 17
King Pam out wide for Tasing. Tasing plays it to Panchok finds Ganami's touch was disappointing, and Harimapam will try to take the ball forward for Somdal. Harimapam plays it to Pami back to Harimapam plays it out wide for Somiran finds Pami, who has straight a long way forward from the centre half position, and Shinpum is on the chase up against Karshok. Shinpum comes away with the ball there, got a block in there by Meiko, and it's a good clearance in the end by Teinem. Mushunring tried to switch the ball, but the run wasn't made by Somya, but Somya has the chance now. Somya, it's a good attempt from distance, so the keeper off his line and try to catch the keeper off with a half volley. Didn't get the power nor the direction right on that one, and it's gone out harmlessly for a goal kick for Somdal. So end-to-end football this game. Harimapam collected by Tansing for Somya. Somya again Cleared by Somiran. Won back by Somya. Panchok with a shot on. Cleared by Shem. Now Warrior to Somiran, and Somiran lunges it further clear. And Payson will play it back to his goalkeeper Rajipam. It's high. Hornpum is strong. Shem now it's Warrior to Semi. Looks for Todri Singh, and Todri Singh did well to outmuscle Taising, but his touch was a little too heavy and it went straight back to Rajipam. Doesn't look good here for Taising coming together with Todri Singh. Hornpum now in the middle of the park, striding forward. Big steps, lays it out wide for Semi with the outside of his foot. Todri Singh was there at the end of that cross, but Rajipam was out there off his lines to collect it. Offside anyway. Taising now for Somya who played for Panchok. Rung Singh did well to clear that. Taising. It's a beautiful ball for jersey number 16, Mathotmi. And now Meiko running through on goal. And Asomi Riva, very solid goalkeeping there. Came off his line, saw the situation, came off his line and collected the ball calmly away from the toes of Mathotmi. Panchok to Meiko. Meiko all the way back to his captain King Bum. Looks long for the run of Somya. Somya was offside anyway.
Offside. Somdal with number 12. Come round.
Good blocking by Taising. Taising and Todri Singh going toe to toe for every ball in this opening exchanges so far. Panchok, Mathotmi, cleared by Taising. But Shinpam is there for Somdal. Shinpam cleared by Karshok again. Mushundring under pressure there from Pami. Somdal win the ball back. Yes, Hornpum. It's a good diagonal pass out on the right flank for Tacham. Semi with the outside of his foot, and Hornpum is there. Hornpum! Mistake from the goalkeeper there. He could not capitalize on it. It was a good pass from the outside of his foot by Semi. Hornpum with his first attempt could have scored. Goalkeepers made a mistake but did well to recover and save his blushes himself. Taising. It's a bit of a nameless pass, and it is Mathotmi who does very well to rescue the situation for Teinem, but Somdal win back possession anyway, and here is Hornpum. Hornpum will play it back to his skipper Semi out wide for Somiran. Somiran's pass is intercepted by Meiko, but a little disappointing from Kershok, who had time and space but chose to play the ball first time instead with no yellow shirt up in front of him. Rung Singh out with Somia. Is thought racing, but won back by Teinem. Mushunring to Somia. Somia all the way back to his skipper King Bum. King Bum will look to switch the ball out wide for Mako, but Mako cannot take the ball in his stride. It's gone out for a throw in for Somdal. Pami now. Possession won back by Naomi. Now with Mako. Mako lays it in. What for? Panchok. Panchok tried to go first time with his shot. The ball bobbled a little in front of him, but Teinem doing very well to get away with the ball. But here's Todd Racing now on the break for Somdal. Todd Racing is through on goal, but that's good defending by Paisin, the centre half for Teinem. Caught in between the player and the ball and got a lot of the ball. That is why no free kick nor a penalty has been awarded by the referee. It was good defending there by Paisin, but in the process Todd Racing has gone down injured. Is holding his head, and the match has been stopped because this is a head injury. Hopefully it's not that serious. A lot of fans in attendance for this one. It is one of the blockbuster match of this conference. We have a feeling that whichever team comes up on top this afternoon will have a good shot at the championship this year. Todd Racing now taken off the pitch. He is walking by himself, so hopefully that's a good sign, and we're hopeful that he'll be able to continue. The referee will hand the ball back to Teinem, who were in possession when the referee blew his whistle. Taising cleared by King Bum. It's a good clearance. Finds Mushunring. Mushunring tried to play a cheeky little backhill pass for Naomi. It was intercepted well by Shem. Now with Somiran. Somiran to Pami. Pami finds Hormipum. Hormipum's control is a little too heavy, and Pancho came in between the ball and Hormipum. Now out wide for Mako. Mako of Teinem. Mako and Somiran going head to head for that ball. Somiran concedes the throw in. Karshok. High boot from Naomi, I think. No. Mako? Is it? No, it is. It was a high boot by Matonmi on one of the Somdal defenders. The free kick was taken by Pamai. But the pressure has been relentless from Teinem. It feels as if neither team wants to hold on to the ball too long, because they're giving the ball back. They're winning it back, they're giving the ball back to the opposition. It's been the trend for most of the game so far. It's exciting for us as neutrals, but not as much, I believe, for both set of fans who will be watching on nervously. It's a game where small margins, you feel, will decide the winner. Tasing with the throw-in on this right side for Teinem. Tasing a low cross in. Semi on the counter for Somdal. Semi plays the ball to Tacham. Tacham out wide for Wario. Wario Plays it back to Semi. Semi out wide for Hornbom, who had straight offside.
Offside.
A little bit disappointed with himself, Hornbom, there, because the ball had
Number 4, King Pom.
gone back and he had already made his run and he didn't track back enough. A high line of Teinem catching him offside there. Pamai cleared further by Rung Singh, collected by Hormipum, plays it to Semi. Semi plays it back to Hormipum. Hormipum turns in midfield, is dispossessed. A bit of a aimless clearance by Paisin. It nearly fell to Nganami, but they will come again. Panchok dispossessed by Hormipum. Hormipum will play it back to Rung Singh. Rung Singh slipped there, but it worked out quite well for him in the end. Hormipum now. Hormipum took too much time on the ball and is lucky in the end to come up with a out with a throw in there. Singh pushed at the back by Todri Singh. Semi Riva getting a bit of a talking there, the skipper of Somdal, by the referee for dissent. And he is the captain, he is allowed to speak, but the referee saying there not so much when decisions go against you. Goal kick for Somdal. Masomi Riva took the ball while it was still rolling, and so linesman spotted it. That is twice the Somdal goalkeeper has been penalized for that offense. Not penalized in the sense where a free kick has been awarded in Teinem's favor, but 2 times it has happened where the Somdal goalkeeper has taken the goal kick while the ball was still rolling. Masomi will play it out wide for Somiran. Somiran inside for Pami. Pami was looking for Shinpam. Is intercepted by Meko, but won back again. Now Tacham. It's pass for Shinpom was a little too heavy and it's gone out. Kershok all the way to Somiran. Somiran clears it. It's collected by Wario. Teinem win back possession again. Now the ball by Paisin for Somia, a little overcooked. Panchok looking for Mushunring. Wario now. Foul there on the Somdal goalkeeper by Mushunring. He had collected the ball, but Mushunring barged in anyway, and the referee giving him a bit of a talking there, bit of a warning there. Semi charged down well by King Bum. King Bum takes the shot on, and on his weaker left foot it was always going wide. Masomi out wide for Somiran. Somiran has seen a lot of the ball in the last few minutes. After much of the play was down the left flank for Somdal in the first 15 minutes. Somdal trying an alternative way and trying to play the ball down the right flank in the last few minutes. Warrior flicks it on. Harmipom was not there, cleared by Teinem. Now with Somaya. Possession still with Teinem. Yes, Mushunring trying to get ahead of 2-3 Somdal players, and Shem was taking no chances with Mushunring bearing down on his back. Foul throw by Kershaw. It is needless in this type of games to give away silly foul throws. Harmipom now. Cleared well by Paisin. Now the throw in for Somdal taken by Harmipom to Tacham. Tacham will play it back to Semi. Semi plays it back to Harmipom. Harmipom for Tacham again. Tacham loses possession to Mushunring. Mushunring maybe was looking for Somaya, but could only find the blue shirt of Rungsing. Shinpam coming back from an offside position there has been flagged offside by the assistant on the far side. The free kick will be taken by Kershaw. Kershaw takes it long. Flick on by Mushunring. Pame taking no chances, and it's a corner for Teinem. I think this is the first corner for Teinem, and they are piling forward. Kingpam, a tall player, striding forward from defense, and Mushunring, jersey number 19, is also a huge towering figure, very physical as well. Teinem. Free kick to be corner to be taken by Panchok. Panchok's corner is met by Paisin, and in again by Kingbum. Kingbum still fighting for the ball with Shem, half cleared by Tacham. Kingbum back at it again. Now it's Harmipom. Harmipom on a breakaway. Harmipom. Warrior now on the left flank. Warrior does well to. Oh no, it has gone against Warrior, and Paisin will take the resulting throw in for Teinem. Chaudhry Singh to Semi. Semi back to Chaudhry Singh. All the way back to Rungsing. Rungsing trying to switch the play out wide for Shinpam. Shinpam does well to control it, but his second touch let him down a little bit there. Rescued there by Somiran. Shinpam still with the ball. Back to Somiran, but it was needless there from the youngster. And Sopam boldly off his lines. Ngosome boldly off his lines to clear the danger. Small mistakes from the likes of Somiran nearly falling in favors of Teinem. Teinem have given a very good account of themselves here. Now with Nganaumi. Good defending there by Pami, who made sure Nganaumi could not take the shot away. They'll come now. Semi will play it to Tacham. Tacham plays it inside for Warrior. Warrior back to Semi. Warrior Tacham left it for Shinpam, and it's cleared by Kershaw. Now Chaudhry Singh on this left flank up against Paisin. Good clearance by Paisin. Wow, that first half has flown by, hasn't it? And we have 1 minute of extra time added on after the end of the first 40 minutes. A foul there by one of the Teinem defenders on Tacham, and a free kick to maybe end things on a good note for Somdal. Semi will take this free kick to the heights. have piled forward inside the Teinem box. Shem, Warrior, Hornbomb, all up there. Semi, it's high, it's deep, but it's cleared wonderfully by Kingpum. Another corner for Somdal, but Kingpum, what a match this boy is having. The skipper for Teinem has been strong on the air, on the ground as well. Has gotten stuck into tackles and has always come out on top against the Somdal attackers. Another corner, another chance for Somdal. Support arriving in the form of Rung Singh. Semi took it anyway. Cleared again by Kayingpum. Heroic first half performance from the Teinem skipper, and that is the first half with neither teams able to break the deadlock, and we go into the interval 0-0. Join us for the second half action after 15 minutes.
Football hiwi tili next match Ringui versus Sirarukong ngareu gida leidak laine. Football hiwi tili next match Ringui versus Sirarukong ngareu gida leidak laine China. Unit kanini na
阿中那可泪让你泪伤，我有听听那些阿萨米萨勒勒，什么也泪个是那些吧。距离，有时爱说那里谈碰的，那怎么对你可让？皮拉不依你对我是个他人的。泪是呀的很累了，嘛几个白，啥个是啊我阿姨先去干呢？你们热里特里克宁海的。生白子，因为我是个海对我是你，假如为头战撒好热力，泪是呀的么撒里白，我最那。可是可能你哈，可那我哦头记得泪洒可，身旁里闹色里个是假日迷人距离。 nơ ngơ ninh đi thâu đơ yang bằng sớp lần ấy nơ mơ lô khuy bài rất phơ lư y vi lì xì khơ mơ tai vơ mơ hay mây rơ nô ngơ vi sông ra lì xì ơ ta mơ xa lì bài ốc thủy nơ y ni lấy cơ xì khả lần mi ha khả nào ơ ốc thô chỉ là lấy xa ơ khơ xâm phăng lì nào sẽ lấy cơ xì vơ
Welcome back to the second half. No changes reported from either teams, and if the second half is anything like the first half, we are in for an absolute classic. Maybe there is a change in the offing for Somdal.
Somdal 0. First half league goal.
We will see.
Second half kita sana claim usai. Ani goal ani shui match. Kesin sadle.
Somdal taking their time. Well, an army for Teinem is all restless and ready to get things started for the second half.
First half is Somdal. Provider is second half. Teinem correct. Teinem with number 13.
So the first half, the halftime change for Somdal was for Shinpum, jersey number 6, making way for jersey number 10.
Teinem with number 7. Somaya Shongzan corner
Nosomi Riva, the goalkeeper for Somdal, giving away a needless corner, and Teinem will have a corner right from the off in the second half. It's a good ball, well defended by Hormupam, further cleared by Shem, and again by Rung Singh. Throw in for Teinem. Tasing back to Panchok. Panchok charged down there by Wario, but Panchok rescues the situation well, and in the end plays the ball straight back to the Somdal goalkeeper. Hormupam now for Somdal. Hormupam. For Wario. Wario switches flanks, was looking for Totri Singh. Well intercepted by Teinem. Now Mushundring looks to have picked up an injury. Bit of a knock there while trying to steal the ball away from the Somdal player, and he seems to be in a bit of discomfort, trying to adjust his boots. Should be fine. Mushundring gets back up on his feet and starts working again, albeit a little chinchilly. So Kingpum to take the resulting free kick. It's long. Meko. Hormupam now. Hormupam through for jersey number 10. Cleared again by Kingpum. Kingpum, what a match this young boy is having at the moment. The skipper for Teinem. Traded beautifully for Nganaumi, and it was a strong coming together between Nganaumi and Pami. Teinem are looking for a penalty here.
medical team dikhalsang milo.
Nganaumi is down on the ground injured.
Number 13 the Naomi Kayiji. Body push up from the Akana Tatumari. Miauriji, serious winning money naga. Serious injury winning money. Football have a context sport sao gidar. Bigla shock from the Gavaplume.
So no penalty for Teinem, and Pami will get things started again for Somdal. Semi with the outside of his foot. Hornibum has the run. Cleared by Paysin. Back with Tacham. Tacham to Wario. Wario cannot find Semi. Now with jersey number 10 of Somdal on this right side. It's a good cross. There's no blue shirt inside the box. Todre Singh all the way back to Rung Singh. Rung Singh cleared again by King Bum. Back again by Rung Singh. Push on the back of Hormipum. Hormipum cleared by King Bum. Panchok. Wario needs to do a little better while on the ball. Did well that time. Hormipum just it down beautifully for Semi, and it's a beautiful switch. Didn't have the enough weight on that. Otherwise, Wario was through on that left flank. Now all the way back to the Somdal goalkeeper. Offside flag against Mushunring. Pame plays it early. Semi in the middle of the park. Semi out wide for the right winger. Cleared by Karshok. Semi for Tacham. Tacham thought he kept the ball in play, but the assistant referee thought otherwise, and it's a throw in for Teinem on this near side. Karshok, the left back. Three consecutive throw-ins. Pami missed the ball completely, and it's another missed clearance from Shem. But both the centre backs will be glad that the ball fell harmlessly back to the goalkeeper. Semi with the outside of his foot. Defended very well by King Bum. Now with Matonmi. Matonmi is brought down by Todre Singh and Wario. In need of medical attention here. The midfielder. Oh, he seems to be fine. He's gone straight back up on his feet. It's a free kick for Teinem.
Matang match bibang ringwi kala siraru kong na ready sam yauruno player list la apam hili rami sanghau no arui. Matang match ringwi versus siraru kong we aming list rami sanghau no arui kala player ping should be backstage hili. Ready salaga warm up salaga pam miao no nishnara.
So a free kick for Teinem, which will be taken by Paysin. King Bum has made a run forward and he's asking for the ball to be played at the second post. We'll see if Paysin will heed to the instructions of his captain. Paysin, he does. It's a good ball in, well defended by Harmipam. Further cleared by Rung Singh. Todri Singh is there. Somdal can launch a counter attack here. Semi was looking for a blue shirt out on this right flank, but no one was there. And seeing that, he played it out wide to Rung Singh on the left flank. It's a throw in for Somdal. Todri Singh. Foul throw by Rung Singh. And Tai Singh will make sure he doesn't commit an offense with his throw. It's a foul on Todri Singh. So Todri Singh fair to say that the tempo of the second half has been halted a little bit by the physicality of this game. There have been more fouls, more injuries in the second half, and I think it's understandable given the stakes this match has. But it'll be nice if we can get a high-paced, good tempo match without much stoppage in play. So Tai Singh gets into the referee's booking for the foul on Todri Singh and Harmipam on this free kick for Somdal. Harmipam. It's a good distance and favours his right foot. He can get it up and over the wall, and then with enough power he'll be able to bend it. We'll see if he can do that. Harmipam missed everybody in the end. It's gone out for a goal kick for Teinem. Karshok, Nanaumi does well. Panchok, Nanaumi, defended by Shem. Wario places defenders into trouble. Cleared by Shem. Now Todri Singh will rescue the situation for Somdal. Todri Singh is dispossessed by Mashunring, but Mashunring concedes a throw-in. So Rung Singh for Harmipam back to Rung Singh back to Harmipam can play the ball to the right flank, and he does exactly that. Jersey number 10, good control from jersey number 10. Now with Samiran looking for a winger on his side again. Well defended by Karshok, and a throw-in for Somdal. Samiran. Cleared by Nganaumi. And a foul on Nganaumi. Free kick was taken very early by Karshok, but the referee has brought it back, saying he wants to make sure everything is all good before any set piece is taken. So Kingpam will try to launch the ball inside the Somdal box. Kingpam defended by Palmy. Oh, Somia nearly got his shot away but missed the ball completely. Now Horimpum on the counter for Somdal. Horimpum took one touch too many and Mushundring now. Mushundring his ball looking for Nganamis. A tad disappointing, and Nosomi clears things up for Somdal. Warrior to Tacham. Tacham out wide for Horimpum. Horimpum back to Tacham. The return ball for Horimpum is intercepted by Matonmi, and now for a throw in for Somdal on this near side to be taken by Somiran. Somiran looking for his striker. Handball on jersey number 10, Somdal. So, Matonmi is down on the pitch. He went down outside any action, and it looks like it's a case of the muscles. He's pulled down his stockings and is walking off with the medical assistant. So it's never a good sign when you see a player walk off before the substitution has been made. Seems to be working fine, Matanmi. The intensity of the game must have gotten to him. Under high pressure, you tend to get muscle cramps, and that seems to be the case for Matanmi. We'll see if he can get back on or if a substitution will be made in his place. King Bum. Palmy push on the back of Palmy by Maiko. Foul this time for Somdal. Palmy finds Horimpum. Horimpum flicks it on for his striker, and bit of a risky back pass there by Payson back to his goalkeeper, but the understanding and the communication between the players in the Teinem backline have been exceptional, and that was shown there by the way in which Rajibem came off his lines and took the headed pass from his defender Payson. Panchok charged down by Tacham, and under pressure from Tacham, Panchok plays the ball out for goal kick for Somdal, and Matanmi has indeed been replaced by 8 Kapingshang. And the substitution has been made just now. Oreo back again to Nung Singh. Shem. Semi. Totri Singh. A little too high for the diminutive winger. The pass from Semi. Now Panchok cannot go past Tacham. Tacham plays it to Horimpum. Horimpum on the byline. Well defended by Panchok. Throw in for Somdal. It's taken very early. Tacham played the ball straight back to Horimpum, but Horimpum was in an offside position, so he left it and let it go out for a throw in. We have won back possession here, and Horimpum is down on the left flank here. Horimpum along with Chung Singh. Horimpum with a push on Somia, and the free kick has been awarded in favour of Teinem. Teinem. High, up and straight back to Somdal goalkeeper Somi Riva. It's looking long again. Well taken by Semi. Semi looking long for Hormipum. Hormipum takes it down on his chest, and Racing does well to take the ball away from the stride of Hormipum. Corner for Somdal. Semi on his way to take the corner. Hormipum seems to be interested as well, but it would be a waste given the advantage he has with his height in that box, and he seems to be making his way inside the box now. So Semi on this corner, Somiran on this far side. He has signaled with both his hands, so it might be a corner at the far post, but it's at the near post, and it's cleared easily by Teinem. Now with Rungsing. Rungsing cleared by Teinem. Panchok took the ball expertly. He was up in the air, he took the ball expertly. Was trying to play Mako, but Somdal have won back possession. Now Warrior for Tacham. Tacham took a little too much time on that ball, and in the end he ends up fouling Nganaumi, sorry. So Paysin on this free kick for Teinem. Paysin. It was a delightful run by Mako. A good shot from Panchok. Straight at the goalkeeper. Any direction away from the goalkeeper, that could easily have been 1-0 for Teinem, but Teinem with maybe the first shot on target in the second half. Hormipum goes past Naomi. Hormipum strong in possession, plays it out wide for Rungsing. Rungsing will find Warrior. Warrior finds Totri Singh, and Totri Singh has salted tummy to Singh. Now with Semi with space to run into, but it's a vital sliding interception by Teinem. But Semi wins it back. Now with Warrior. Pami. Good clearance from Pami. Somia all alone. Now Totri Singh. Totri Singh for Somdal. Goes past Kapingshang. Plays it back instead to Rungsing. Rungsing will play it to Hormipum. It's a good pass out on the right flank, and a combination of Paysin and Kanchok clears the ball from Hormipum. Now with Nganaumi. Somia does well to go past Pami, and Pami stood in his way, and his body check offense has resulted in a free kick for Teinem. It will be taken by Paysin, jersey number 18 for Teinem. Kingpum has made his way forward. 2-man wall, Warrior and Somiran. Paysin straight at goal, cleared by Hormipum. Now with Panchok. Semi merges with the ball, plays it out wide for Todri Singh. Todri Singh can have a go here. Todri Singh instead chooses to switch flank, and it's a good pass out wide for Wario. Wario back to Horimapam. Horimapam out wide for Tacham, and in the end a good clearance from Kershok. Wario, his cross lacks the height, and it's defended by Talui. Teinem. Mushunring. Shem to jersey number 10 of Somdal. Now Tacham is through on goal. Tacham! Ooh. But a little too much behind that shot, and it's just gone over the crossbar. Any contact less than that, and that ball would have probably ended up at the back of the net. But a bit of a heavy touch from Tacham, and the heavy strike from close range means Teinem escape unscathed. Now Somya. Wario is all alone with the ball in the middle of the pitch, cleared by Rung Singh. Horimapam now. Good control, but his second touch let him down. Kershok with the Somya with the outside of his foot, trying to find Mushunring. Naomi with a push on Horimapam on this near side, and Somdal have a free kick from a very good position. Semi on his left foot. It's a good distance, but maybe a little too far to go straight for goal. Semi well defended by Kershok at the near post. Semi to Horimapam. Semi, the ball bobbled just in front of him, making it awkward for him to get a shot away. Now Shem, well defended by King Pum. Maiko, it's a good touch from Maiko. Kaping Shang going against Rung Singh. Rung Singh, well defended by Paisin. Semi again. Semi is shot at goal, drifts wide. Maiko goes past Rung Singh. Maiko on the right flank, plays it back to Kaping Shang. Kaping Shang tries to put a cross in, but it's cleared by Shem. And Naomi. And Semi has been penalized for a charge on Naomi. So it's a free kick in an interesting position here for Teinem. This kind of range would favor one who can unleash a very powerful shot. So Kershok and Paisin standing over this one. Paisin has left it for Kershok. Kershok sails harmlessly wide, and it's a goal kick in the end for Teinem. Harmipum collected well by jersey number 10. Has the support in the form of Totri Singh, but Totri Singh, the weight of the pass from jersey number 10 to Totri Singh was a little too much, and in the end it's a goal kick for Teinem. Somdal, they have to make better use of the chances that they're getting at the moment. This half chances will have to be taken well. They have to be more clinical, both teams. As I said in the first half, this game is a game that will be decided on fine margins, and it's been a good game so far, for that matter. There's been so little to separate these two teams, and it's a double substitution for Somdal, with Somiran, jersey number 14, making way for jersey number 3, and Warrior Riva, jersey number 19, has also made way for Rinting, jersey number 21. Pace in, defended well by Paimi. Rinting with the first touch off the ball. It's a good pass through for Totri Singh. Totri Singh, well defended in the end by King Bum. Panchok switches flank. Pame did well to get the ball away from the run of Meiko. Now it's Kaping Shang. This shot, I call this a tame one, and it's collected easily by the Somdal goalkeeper. Panchok tries his luck from range, blocked by Somdal defender. Nanaumi. Harmipum now. Harmipum still full of running. Harmipum on this right flank. Harmipum cuts back, plays it to Tacham plays it. Was looking to play it back to Harmipum, but Harmipum, the weight of the ball was a little too much, and in the end it's a goal kick for Teinem. Kingpum's goal kicks have gotten weaker as the game has progressed, and I think it's signs of weariness and tiredness showing. Manaumi with this throw in for Teinem. Mashunring cleared by Pame. Good body check by Semi. His Rinting heading out wide for jersey number 3. Now it's the right winger Melko out wide for Kaping Shang. Kaping Shang switches it for Mashunring. Taken off the toes of Mashunring by Shem. Totri Singh, Semi dispossessed, and bit of a reckless clearance by Shem, but anywhere will do for Somdal at the moment. Teinem piling the pressure on Somdal this last few minutes. Kershok finds Panchok. Panchok goes down under the challenge from Tacham, and it's a foul, which is just outside the edge of the box, and it will be taken by Naomi.
Naomi.
3-man wall for Somdal. Naomi up against the wall and the goalkeeper. Will he go for goal or will he pass it? Naomi at the back post is... Oh, it's gone in. No, a foul has been given against the Teinem players for a foul on Ngsomi. The free kick went at the back post for Paysin, and Paysin's ball across the goal was slotted home from close range by Mushunring, only for the referee to give it a foul against the 3 Teinem players who were impeding the run of, who were impeding the goalkeeper. Mushunring, Hormipam. Charged down by Mushunring. It's a throw in for Somdal. Rinting out on this right flank. Rinting charged down by Somia. Rinting cannot get past Somia and Mushunring, and in the end he has been penalized for pulling and tucking on the Teinem players. Paysin. Pame again 3 times. Somia goes past Pame, but his cross is a bit disappointing, but he will be happy that a corner has come out of that, because there was no yellow shirt inside the box and the keeper was making his way trying to collect the ball, but Shem needlessly put it out wide for corner for Kingbom, and they have made the best use of the corner as Kingbom heads home the first goal of the game, and that is a huge dagger in the hearts of the Somdal players and the Somdal team, as a bit of carelessness from the Somdal defense leads to them conceding the first goal of the game. It will be a hard way back, a long way back for Somdal from here. Teinem have defended brilliantly in this game, and it is Kingbom, one of the best players for Teinem in this game so far, the skipper, who has opened the scoring for Teinem. Somdal have all to do in this last few minutes of the game. Semi back to Pami. Semi foul on Pami by Naomi. Somdal now throwing bodies forward. It may be last chance saloon for this team. Honorable held back there by a Teinem player, but no foul given. Somdal will come again with a throw in. On this near side, it's taken by muscle injury inside the pitch. Teinem now will do as much as they can to waste time, while Somdal will feel the seconds trickling by every time the ball goes out of play or every time a Teinem player goes down, and they'll be asking for the referee to be mindful of the time and to make sure that he adds on enough minutes at the end of regulation time to make up for this stoppages in play. So Panchok is limping, and we'll see if he can continue.
Teinem number 17, Panchok. Kram Zaida Shokure, Early.
Semi cleared by Teinem. Kaping Shang up against Rung Sing. Rung Sing plays it down again. King Pum off his line with a vital header. Hormipum now. Hormipum tackled from behind by Paisin, and no, tackled from behind by Nganaomi, and free kick from a very dangerous position here for Somdal. They have to make this free kick count. They have to make every chance that they're getting count in order to get back into the game. But the Teinem defense has been resolute. They have been solid so far, and it will take a lot to breach this defense. Hormipum, his low driven free kick is cleared by Teinem, and the resulting clearance was hit by Rung Sing, only for it to sail harmlessly wide of the far post. The referee has indicated for 2 minutes of time to be added on, so it's 2 minutes for Somdal to get back into this game, and 2 minutes for Teinem to hold on to the lead and cap off what has been a wonderful performance with this win. Panchok on this left flank. He was nursing the muscle injury there a few minutes back, full of running for that, but he has gone down injured again, rolling on the ground. The Somdal players will be livid with the player. He has eaten up a chunk of time in this game so far. Rung Sing looking long, missed by Teinem defender, cleared by Tan Singh. Now with Pami, well defended by Taising. Taising, Somdal come again. Semi back to Hormipum. Hormipum cannot get past King Pum, who has been, as I said, exceptional so far in this game. The skipper for Teinem has been the strongest at the back, has gotten to every cross, has won every aerial duel that he has come up against, and as things stand, he is the match winner, courtesy of that wonderfully headed goal in the second half, the goal that separates these two wonderful teams as we approach full time. Pace in, out, back in again by Rung Sing. Rinting is chasing. Rinting will not be able to keep the ball in play. In the end, it's a goal kick for Teinem, and this might be it for Teinem. The referee might blow his full-time whistle anytime soon, and if Somdal cannot come up with something special in the last few seconds, it will be Teinem who will go through to the next round. They can't afford to spend a lot of time on the ball like that. But Todd Racing does well to win a free kick. The free kick has been taken very early, but much to the relief of the Somdal players, the referee brought back, has asked for the free kick to be taken again because Todd Racing was down injured on the pitch. Todd Racing limping off, trying to get out of the field of play as soon as he can so that the match can resume, and Semi will take this free kick. It's all or nothing here for Somdal. They are throwing the kitchen sink here. It's last chance saloon, and Semi's free kick is high, well defended by Kingbom, who has been the man of the match so far, and that is it. Full time. Teinem have won this one courtesy of a brilliant header from Kingbom, who caps off his brilliant performance. And in the end, it is poignant that the last touch should come off as a clearing header by Kingbom, who has been exceptional in this game. So Teinem go through to the next round, and Somdal, in spite of all their talent, in spite of the rich squad that they have, will bow out from the first round of this competition. The Teinem players given a lap of honor by their own fans, and these are the moments that you live for in this kind of tournaments. They will take huge confidence from this impressive win. They defended resolutely, and in the end the goal came from Kingbom, the skipper. He has been the difference maker in this game, and
Somdal
Teinem
versus
will go through to the next round.
Football match.